Hi everyone, it's Matt with AUB. Some question, some selection from the Sad Barron's book. Our proposed topic is ratios and proportion. Just tiny introduction of ratios and proportion. Without wasting time, let's jot down to our business. If 2 upon 3 of the workers in an office are non-smokers, if 2 over 3 of the workers in an office are non-smokers, what is the ratio of smokers to non-smokers? Smokers to non-smokers. In case of ratio, in case of ratio, consider number one study. Consider total as 1. Total as 1. We have given the ratio of non-smokers. Non-smokers. Non-smokers ratio is 2 over 3. As total is 1. Sorry, let me mention clearly. Ratio, in that case, total of the ratio must be 1. 1. I have taken 1. Study number 1. Non-smokers 2 upon 3. Then smokers must be total minus non-smokers. Total minus non-smokers. Total is 1. Non-smokers 2 over 3. Taking LCM. 1 times 3 minus 2. 1 ratio 3. So the ratio of smokers is 1 ratio 3. 1 ratio 3. We are asked to find the ratio of smokers to non-smokers. Smokers to non-smokers. We have to find this ratio. Smokers 1 over 3. Ratio means division. Non-smokers initially at the outset given to us 2 over 3. After division, take the reciprocal of this one. In order to facilitate our calculation, we have 3 over 2 cancelled out. So the ratio of smokers to non-smokers is 1 ratio 2. The ratio of smokers to non-smokers is 1 ratio 2. Ratio of smokers to non-smokers is 1. Some people take 1 as the total, 1 as the total. However, few people have some objection on that. Then take workers as W. You are going to adopt same study, you are going to get same result. Let's see and find out how. Strategy 2, not 2, almost same. Instead of 1, let me take workers as W. Workers as W, total number of workers. Suppose total number of workers, total number of workers, okay, that's W. From this W, 2 upon 3 are non-smokers. Non-smokers are 2 over 3 of the total. 2 upon 3 of the workers is non-smoker. How to find smokers? Just subtract, then smokers are given by subtract from the total the non-smokers ratio. Non-smokers. Almost same strategy. Instead of 1 we have W now. Instead of 1 we have W now. Total is W. Non-smokers 2 or 3 of the W. Taking LCM, 3 times W minus 2W is the 1 over 3 W. 1 over 3 W, that is the ratio of smokers. Smokers in the total. Now we are asked to find the ratio of smokers to non-smokers. Smokers to non-smokers. Smokers to non-smokers. Smokers are 1 over 3. 1 over 3 of the total. While ratio means division. Non-smokers, it is given to us 2 upon 3 of the total. Then 1 over 3 W. Facilitate the calculation. Convert division into multiplication by taking its reciprocal. I have 3 over 2 W. 3 cancelled, W vanished. I have 1 over 2 or ratio of smokers to non-smokers is 1 ratio 2 in both situations. It's a tiny question. I have taken length in order to explain it in detail. Here 2/3 is the non-smokers ratio. Now simply ask yourself, what should be added in 2 to get 1? What should be added in 2 to get 1? It is 1/3. That is non-smokers, that is smokers. Take their ratio, you are going to get 1/2 at blink of in a blink of eye. That is the real strategy. Whenever you are expert, if you are not adept at that, follow the definition. Follow the definition. It will give you the depth and bounce to solve these questions even at half reading. Okay. So answer in that case is 1/2. 1/2. Moving towards next question. In ratio, total is not given to us, take 1. 1. Or you can take it X. In case of workers, I have taken W. Okay, question number 2. If 80% of the applicants to a program were rejected, how many rejected? 80% were rejected. 80% were rejected. What is the ratio of the number accepted to the number of rejected? Now we have to find the ratio of rejected to accepted. Rejected are 80%. Rejected, that is our 80%. So accepted must be 100 minus 80, total is 100. In case of person, 100 minus 80, I am going to have 20%. That is rejected, that is accepted. Accepted. The candidates whose forms or applications are accepted, 20%. Rejected. Take care of this thing. Accepted to rejected. Accepted to rejected. Let me write accepted to rejected. Accepted are 20%. Rejected are 80%. Instead of ratio, I have introduced division. Rejected 80%. Just simplify them. 20% divided by 80%. Percent cancel, O cancel. I have 2/8 or 1/4. 1/4. So the ratio of accepted to accepted to rejected. The ratio of accepted to rejected is 1/4. 1/4. In that case, in case of percentage, we have total 100. We have total 100. Total 100. 100% means 100. If I remove percent, then 100 divided by 100, it's equal to 1. So that's why in case of percent, we are going to take total 100, or in simple fraction, we are going to take total as 1. 1 or 100%, both are equivalent statements. So in that case, our ratio is 1/4. Same B option in the second question as well. Next, we have given, it is based on some sort of triangle. The measure of three angles in a triangle are in the ratio 1:2. Which of the following statement must be true? We have given the ratio of the angles, and we are familiar the sum of all three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. 180 degrees, and their angles are in the ratio 1:1:2. Then we have to hunt what sort of triangle it is. Number one statement, we have to check the triangle is isosceles, means two sides equal. The triangle is right angle triangle, means Pythagoras theorem is applicable and one angle is of 90, or, and the third one is the triangle is equilateral. Equilateral means all sides are equal. Let's see and verify which statement is true in the light of ratio of the angles. Ratio of angles 1:1:2. 1:1:2. Suppose angles are ABC. Angles are ABC. We can simplify it. Introduce 1x plus 1x plus 2x, that add up to 180 degrees. Taking any variable in between them, 1x plus 1x plus 2x means I have 4x is equal to 180. Dividing by 180, 180 divided by 4, x is 90/2 or 45. So x is our 45. Utilizing these fact in angle 1 times x, ratio 1 times x, ratio 2 times x, means 45, 45, 90. So two angles are equal. So triangle is isosceles. Number one statement is valid. Isosceles triangle. Second, one angle is of 90. One angle is of 90. This is right triangle, right angle, right angle. So the given triangle is isosceles as well as right triangle. It is isosceles because it has two equal angles. By virtue of this, we have two sides. We have also taken for granted two sides must be equal. By virtue of two angles are equal. Next third, one angle is of 90. Any triangle having angle of 90, it is right angle triangle. So second statement is also valid. Third is not valid. It has two sides equal, not the third one. Two sides equal, not the third one. Means it is not an equilateral triangle, but however, it is isosceles triangle as well as a right triangle. Both our option is none, one, two. Yeah, this one. One and two are the two statement in our case. One and two is two statement. It is isosceles as well as right angle triangle. Look at this. I have given the ratio of the angles 1:1, ratio 2. At utilizing any variable 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x, because all angles of a triangle, all three angles of a triangle add up to 180. Find x. Utilize here. I have 1 times x, 1 times x, 2 times 45, 45, 45. Two angles is of 45 means it is isosceles triangle. One angle is of 90, it is right triangle. So both statements are true. 1 and 2 is valid in our case. Moving towards next question, and it is a good one. Sometimes it is asked, what is the definition of pi? What is the definition of pi? What is the definition of pi? Definition of pi. This is the golden ratio, magical ratio, let me say that. Pi is given by circumference of the triangle divided by diameter. Let me write complete. Circumference divided by diameter. The ratio of circumference and diameter in any circle is always pi, it's magic. Circumference is given by 2 pi r, while we are familiar. Diameter means double the radius. Diameter means double the radius. Diameter means double the radius. Simplifying it further, 2 pi r over 2r. R cancel, 2 cancel. I am going to have pi. So that is the definition of pi. That is the definition of pi. We are familiar. Pi is the natural number approximately equal to 3.1459 or approximately equal to 22 over 7. That is the value. Definition of pi is given by circumference divided by diameter. Circumference divided by diameter. In that case, we are asked to find what is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its radius. Circumference, ratio of circumference to its radius. Circumference. What's wrong? Circumference. Circumference to its radius. Ratio means division. Circumference is given by 2 pi r. Radius means r cancel. So 2 pi. The ratio of circumference to its radius is equal to 2 pi. The ratio of the circumference to its radius is equal to 2 pi. So in that case, our right option is 2 pi. Our right option is 2 pi in that case. It is the definition that I have given you. Definition of pi is circumference divided by diameter. And that is the question that is asked from us. What is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its radius? Circumference to its radius. Circumference is given by 2 pi r. Some writers write pi d. It's okay. 2 pi r divided by r cancel. 2 pi is the ratio of the circumference to its radius. Moving towards question number 5. How to find continued radius? It's a simple one. If the ratio of AB is 3:5 and ratio of AC is 5:7, what is the ratio of B to C? What is the ratio of B to C? Several methods to attempt this question. Let's see out of the box solution in that case. Simple by definition. A ratio B is 3:5. And furthermore, A ratio C and A ratio C. It is 5 over 7. A ratio C, 5 over 7. We are asked to find the ratio of B ratio C. Find B ratio C means we are interested in B over C. B over C. This is A over B. This is A over C. We are interested in B ratio C. B. I need B in the numerator. I need B in the numerator. I need B in the numerator. Taking its reciprocal, it will become B over A is equal to 3 over 5, and AC is given to us, that is 5 over 7. A ratio B is given to B. I need B in the numerator. So that's why I have taken the reciprocal of both sides. B ratio A is equal to 3 ratio 5. Just multiply 1 and 2. B over A multiply by A over C. Multiply B over A with this one. B over A is 3 ratio 5. 3 over 5. A over C is given by 5 over 7. Cancelled out. Here A cancelled. I have the ratio of B ratio C is equal to 3 7. 3 7. So the ratio of B to C is 3 ratio 7. 3 ratio. Do nothing. Just we are interested in BC. We want to get rid of this A. We want to get rid of this A. Take value of A from here or here, put in another equation. You are going to arrive at this result. What I have done, A over B, I need B in numerator. I have taken the reciprocal of this one. B ratio A is going to be, B ratio A. I haven't inverted this ratio. It will be 5 over 3. It must be 5 over 3. It must be 5 over 3. Let me compensate for this. A over B, I need B over A. It will become 5 over 3. 5 over 3. B over A, I have taken reciprocal, B over both sides. B over A as well as 5 over 3. And A ratio C. A ratio C, what is? A ratio C 5 7. Okay, cool. And A over C is 5 over 7. Now just multiply them. Multiply them. B over A times A over C. I have 5 over 3 into 5 over 7. A cancel. I have B over C. 5 5 the 25. 7 3 the 21. So ratio of B to C is 25 ratio 21. So the ratio of B to C is 25 ratio 21. D is the right option in that case. What I have done, I have taken the reciprocal of this one. Or there is another strategy, normal prevalent method. Just write their ratios like a child and connect them. Let's see and find out how. Now I have A ratio B is equal to 3 ratio 5 and A ratio C, I have 5 7. Look at this. A is the connecting link. A is the connecting link. So A take the central position. So A take the central position. I write B ratio A, then A ratio C. It's A ratio B 3 5. I have to manage B ratio A. Means it is B ratio A. B ratio A means 5 ratio 3. What about AC? It is given to me 5 ratio 7. The traditional tip that you are familiar. Multiply this with this, it will become 5 5 the 25, 3 5 the 15, 3 7 the 21. That's RB, that's RA, that's RC. We are asked to find the ratio of BC. So taking BC, it's 25 ratio 21. 25 ratio 21. The simpler method it is. Some writers attempt in that fashion, or there is another one. There is another one. How to attempt this? Just right here. It is mine 5 3 ratio 5 7. 5 7. There is a blank, there is a blank. Fill with nearest. 3 is nearest. Here, fill with nearest. 5 is nearest. Multiply them. That's our B, that's our A, that's our C. Multiply. 5 5 the 25. 3 5 the 15. 3 7 the 21. That's our B, that's our A, that's our C. We are asked to find the ratio of BC. So it is our 25 ratio 21. 25 ratio 21. Whatever suits you, just adopt. Connecting link is A. That's why I have positioned A at the center. At the center, it is the connecting B to A, then A to C. Yes. Let me erase this in the middle of the question. Okay, after that, whenever we have completed the question, then the light went out. Now light has come. So jot down to question, final question, that's 6 number. In a diagram below, we have given a diagram, rough sketch. Figure is not drawn to scale. Angles are mentioned. There's B degrees, there's A degrees. In diagram, ratio of B to A is 7:2. Find the difference of B and A. What is B minus A? First, we have no idea about B, we have no idea about A, but we have this is a linear pair, straight line measures 180, straight line measure 1, there are two angles, they sum up to 180. If there are three on this line, they also sum up to 180. So I have the sum of A and B is equal to 180 degrees by virtue of straight line, by virtue of linear pair of A and B. A straight line measures 180. B plus A is equal to 180. Okay. Then what is the ratio? I can easily manage. Value of A. Corresponding ratio of A, it's 2. Corresponding ratio of A, 2. Sum of ratios, 2 plus 7 multiplied by the complete total. They both measure to 180 degrees. Okay. So the measure of A is going to be 2 over 9 times 180 degrees. 2 times 0 same. So A measures 2 times 20, 40 degrees. So value of A is 40 degree in that case. Utilize corresponding ratio, sum of the ratios multiplied by the total. Similarly, B is given by corresponding ratio of B, that's 7. Sum of the ratios, 2 plus 7 multiplied by total. Total is 180 degrees in that case. I have B degree 7 over 9 times 180. Applying table of 9, 2 times 2 9 18 0 same. So B is 7 times 20. B degree is equal to 7 140. So B is 140. We are asked to find their difference. One can verify their ratio. It is given to us 7 2. Let's check. B ratio A. B 140 divided by 40. 0 cancel. Applying table of 2. 7:2. Correct. We are 100% correct. Now find the difference B minus C. B minus C. What is the value of B? It's 140 degrees. Minus A is only 40 degrees. So their difference is B degrees minus A degrees. B minus A is 100 degrees. 100 degrees. So our right option in that case is C. 100 degrees. 100 degrees. It's my tiny effort to you to give you guys overview, just definition. Always think through by definition, stuck to definition, then you are going to work wonders. Stuck to definition, stuck to basics, and it leads you to clarity to do some miracles by using definition, rather than thinking here and there. It's all by itself. Next.